Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset formula in Excel. So to do this is pretty simple. So to reset formulas in Excel, you'll have to have of course, your function or your actual formula here. So when your function or your formula doesn't work, to reset this all, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is toggle the F9 button in your computers and it will reset the whole thing and it will reset it to default. But if you want to reset a certain formula only or certain formulas, you want to press Shift and then F9 to reset them. And it's just that simple. It's already functioning. Mine is already functioning, as you can see, so I don't really have to reset it. But all you have to do is press F9 and this will reset properly. So as you can see, it's already set to a normal one. So it's going to refresh the whole page if you press F9. But if you want certain ones only, select them and press Shift and then F9. And there you go. So there you go guys, that is how you fix your formulas here and reset it. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.